How y'all doing today, folks? We back live with you. Welcome to OKC World. We ain't doing too much, just cooling through the little region where we at. We just want to get on and say how y'all guys doing today. Touch bases with you guys. Make sure y'all doing okay today. You know what I'm saying? I'm just out here enjoying a beautiful day on this November 9th. Trying to see if my other partner from another place is in there. You know what I'm saying? See what he gonna come out and do. It's my partner. But yeah, I just want to give a little motivational to you guys today to say, make sure you be careful what you do, on a day-to-day basis. Because we are creatures of habit. So if you start doing something, you just probably try to continue to keep doing it. Then settle off into rhythm of doing stuff you really don't want to be doing, or doing something you really shouldn't want to be doing. But yeah, we trying to manage, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all guys need some rental properties, rental places, y'all trying to move around and do some different stuff, make sure y'all hit the email up. You know what I'm saying? My partner, he probably ain't come out today. So, but yeah, as y'all can see, it's a beautiful day around here. The sun has risen. The sun is up. It's life today. It's life every day. But the sun, he go down, get some rest, come back up and make sure the world is, running okay. Make sure it's life on real. But what y'all gotta do is make sure y'all running y'all life up to par, up to speed. I'm not really saying you gotta be speeding or fast or moving. It's like a snail pace, but just at that right speed where you can, get some traction and start, being productive for yourself. So what we supposed to do in life is we're supposed to enjoy our work while we're here. All that other stuff really don't matter. So we just enjoy our work. You know what I'm saying? Make sure our health, and make sure we be the best people that we can to the people that surround us, no matter who they are, no matter what they look like, no matter what. Just, even if y'all ain't clicking, you ain't got to be around them, but you don't got to be, evil at heart or wicked at heart towards them in the same way. So, I just want to say congratulations on, being a grandfather. It's kind of weird saying it, but yeah, yesterday we became a grandfather. One of my ladies, she just became a grandmother. So yeah, other than that, we just thankful for another day. We just take it day by day. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you got your game plan on. So what it is that we trying to build you up to be where you don't have to depend on wealth. We all about building wealth, but we don't want to depend on our wealth. We want to depend on our strength, our inner, God-given inner spirit, that we can maintain with a level head, with a focused mind. You know what I'm saying? So things can, be in order where you don't have to constantly try to depend on your wealth or your money for stuff. People that always try to get backed up with their money and stuff, that ain't nothing but a piece of paper. So if you feel like you can back yourself up with just some piece of paper, even though it's a tool, my nigga, but you are a tool as well, your mind. So use it at the best ability that you can do it. Don't waste it away. Don't destroy it on substances, on drink, on liquor, on bad females that you shouldn't even be around. You know what I'm saying? Like, coming up as a young man, you don't want to be distracted by bad women. They enticing to you, but if they ain't just celebrating you and congratulating you on things in your life, or out to see another person win, you know what I'm saying? Them that's poison, like that song say. So always keep that in mind. So with the stock market, we got a red day. Stocks are down. Is it a good time just to buy some? I've been seeing a lot of shares that you can just kind of nibble at. You know what I'm saying? Like a bass. he sit back, you know what I'm saying? He only strike at certain things. You know what I'm saying? He already know that it's a big lure coming by, so he ain't gonna strike at that. But he know if it's a nice fetch bluegill ready for the takings, he gonna strike it because he know that's his time to strike. You see what I'm saying? So you gotta be seasoned at the stock market. You gotta grow over time. So if you feel like, you know what I'm saying, y'all in these options and stuff, y'all. I mean, I really would like to see who winning in options, you know, with all this up and down, who really making money. Like, so if you understand what options you gonna either lose. It's kind of like a casino because you gonna lose money. It's gonna decrease automatically. But see, with stocks, if you try to, you know, have a balance with options and stocks, it can go down, it can go up, but you ain't gonna lose until you sell. So, hey, I got my partner right there. We just knocking on the door. Yeah, get him on camera. What's up, G? I just came over to your crib a while ago. I'm on YouTube. Come on, man. Get off here. He in his jammies right now. He ain't trying to It's I'm creating a video this morning. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put it.
I don't want to be in your video.
Okay. No, you ain't gotta be.
It's a nice camera though.
Yeah. He said, I don't want to be in your video. I was going to show it to my partners down in Africa. Say, what's up to the camera, man?
What's up?
When he with the shit.
Is it live?
He kind of, yeah. I mean, I'm recording. Yeah, bro. Like you could.
And then when you finish it, then you upload it.
Yeah, I might edit it down a little bit. I'm really just doing something just to
it's a nice,
put it on there.
How much the work for though?
I mean, you can do videos if you just want to. I got like a stand where you can say something.
Simple questions.
What'd you say?
So how much you got it for?
700.
Okay.
Yes, sir. He over here. He being mean with me today. He said I've been bullshitting him. I always fuck with him, but I guess we on camera. You know how people is. But he's still my partner. He from Ghana. So all my people, if y'all from Africa, Ghana, yeah, we down here in the OKC Sooner State. You know what I'm saying? Come down here. You got some family down here, man. You know what I'm saying? And this to my lady, my helper. She's in Nigeria. She helps me with a lot of stuff. So we are connected. You know what I'm saying? No matter what color you is, no matter where you from. You know what I'm saying? Long as you know what I'm saying, about your life and you doing stuff. Yeah. I'll be all right. So yeah, we just gonna get back, you know what I'm saying? I just want to highlight my partners real quick, but so yeah, back to the stock market, man. See, the stock market, you need to, you know what I'm saying, know how to hold your composure and know how to strike. So that's where we're gonna leave it at. Know how to strike when it's time. Don't be fooled by that lure that come out, you know what I'm saying? Mimic the bass, a smart bass, a big lunker, who'll never get caught.